Hi and welcome to Swanage here in Dorset. I'm here at the railway station. I'm going to catch a steam train over to Corfe Castle. I've been to both Swanage and Corfe Castle before in different videos, but I'm going to link them today by steam train. So let's get into the station and catch our train. Oh, here comes my train.
The accessible space on this service is in coach C, in the middle of this train. Please stand clear of the platform edge and do not attempt to board the train until it comes to a complete stop. Platform 2 for the 15:20 service to Norden.
Just before we get on the train, let's go and have a look at the engine as it prepares to move from one end of the train to the other. I always love watching this bit when I'm catching a steam train. Pulling us today will be the Sir Keith Park engine. It's just turned around, I just filmed it there, turning around to go to the other end of the train. I'm going to hop on the train now. I want you to enjoy this journey as if you're on the train looking out the window. So I'm not going to tell you too much about it or its history, but I'll tell you a little bit just as we're pulling out of Swanage station. This heritage railway attraction operates full-size steam and diesel passenger trains along the 5.5 miles of line from Swanage to Norden. The line has stations at Corfe Castle and Harmon's Cross, as well as a halt at Hurston on the outskirts of Swanage. There's refreshment buffets at Norden and Swanage stations, with picnic tables at most of the stations, so you can really soak up the atmosphere while you're enjoying a picnic. The original 10-mile branch line from Wareham to Corfe Castle and Swanage was opened in May 1885 after 40 years of campaigning by businessmen in Swanage. But sadly in 1972 it closed. It took just 7 weeks, I believe, to close the railway down. But it took 30 years to raise it again. Now sit back, relax, poke your head out the window, whatever you want to do, and look out for Corfe Castle as we go along, and I'll see you there at the railway station in a few minutes' time. that was really lovely, really enjoyed that journey. It's a £20 return ticket from Swanage to Corfe Castle, and that's in June 2024. I'm going to take a walk into Corfe Castle village in a minute, just get some refreshments, and then my train back again is in about 20 minutes time, so I'm not going to spend long here, but I'll try and get some shots of Corfe Castle. I was really pleased to get some shots of it coming in on the train there. Well, the train, I can just hear it approaching the station now, so I'm going to get on it. I just had a few minutes here just because I caught a very late bus over to Swanage, so didn't give myself much time. If you catch an earlier train, there's plenty of time to enjoy Corfe Castle. But if you look at my video, I have a video of Corfe Castle and I have a video of Swanage as well, so do look at those. I'll link to them at the end of this video. I was hoping to get a compartment. It's brilliant. A compartment all to myself, which is really, really nice for the journey back to Swanage. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. I've got other steam train videos on the channel as well, so do check them out. I can't link to everything, but I do have a playlist of transport and steam and that sort of thing in the southwest of England, so do check that out. But I will link to my Swanage video and my Corfe Castle video. So subscribe to the channel as well if you want to get notified when I make other videos in around the southwest of England. I'll say goodbye to you for now, and thanks for watching.